It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial on Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to uninstall apps from Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Welcome back to this video. Sometimes we install apps from our Microsoft Store, and as a result of that, it consumes a lot of space on our PC, or maybe we are no longer interested in that particular app. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step on how to uninstall that particular app that you download and install from your Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. So let's find out. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure, for instance, if I come down below right there, I click on my Microsoft Store right here, then allow it to load up, just like what you see right here. Now, first thing for, make sure you search. Let's, for instance, I search for the apps right here. So this particular apps right here, as you can see, it has been installed on my PC, but I want to delete it. I want to uninstall it. And if you take it, if you move your mouse to the install section, there is no option for uninstall. The only thing you can do here is to open the app. But we want to install this particular app right here. So let's find out how we can simply get it done. The next thing we need to do is to make sure we minimize our Microsoft App Store. Then what we want to do next is to simply come down below right here. We make sure we right click on the start menu, and this is going to pop up. Then we go to settings, and this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to go to apps. Then under the apps, we need to make sure we go to apps and feature. So make sure your cursor is on apps and features. So this is going to show you all the apps and features that you have on your Windows PC. Then you can simply scroll down and locate the particular apps that you download and install from your Microsoft App Store. And this is the apps right here, Desktop Digital Club. Click on the app and you see the uninstall options right here. What you need to do is to simply click on uninstall. Then this apps and its related info will be uninstalled. Simply click on uninstall. Then allow the uninstall to perform all the removing of every file associated to the app on your Windows PC. Once everything is uninstalled, then you are good to go. It's that simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply uninstall any apps that you download from your App Store on your Windows PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.